Hey brother Thane, here's my Megadesk 1.1. So you come here and you add a new quote. Let's say you want to do Rosewood. T 30 for the width, 20 for the height. Shipping, let's do 5 days. Let's do 2 drawers. You add, say table quote added. You come back, you can view all the quotes. And it will show a list of all of them. If you go back, then you can search quotes. It starts out with all of them as a default. Then if you're trying to look for oak, I'll show you just oak. If you want for rosewood, one of these is the ones that I just made. I don't know which one it was because it looks similar, but yeah. So then you can switch between which ones, or you can go back to all.